Blockchain promises often come wrapped in catchy buzzwords, but how many stand up to scrutiny? Dominic Williams, the founder of ICP, has recently taken aim at one such term, that is instant finality, with a sharp critique that challenges its feasibility. Meanwhile, ICP Swap 3.5 is pushing boundaries with updates that promise users more control and scalability. Let's break it down. In the blockchain space, the term instant finality is often used to describe a transaction that becomes final the moment it's included in a block. However, Dominic Williams, the founder of ICP, has recently questioned the validity of this idea with a thoughtful critique. Through a detailed X thread, Williams brings attention to the limitations of instant finality, combining technical insights with a touch of wit. At the core of Williams' argument is the reality that finality isn't as instantaneous as some projects claim. Blockchains rely on consensus mechanisms where nodes must communicate to validate and agree on blocks. This process requires time as messages must travel across networks, which introduces unavoidable delays. Williams explains that data transmission, even at the speed of light, faces physical constraints when moving through fiber optic cables. Light travels at approximately 2/3 of its speed in a vacuum, which is around 200,000 kilometers per second. Yet internet connections still suffer from latency due to routing and other factors. For example, communication between a blockchain node in London and one in Tokyo might take roughly 100 milliseconds in ideal conditions. But real-world conditions push this up to 250 to 400 milliseconds. Given these realities, the idea of instant finality seems far-fetched. Block finalization on most blockchains isn't immediate. It requires nodes to distribute blocks, vote on their acceptance, and wait for a supermajority to approve. For the internet computer, Williams highlights that finalization happens in about 1 second, which is a rapid time frame compared to what is technically achievable today. Williams also takes aim at common strategies used to reduce latency. Some blockchains cluster nodes geographically to shorten the distance data travels, but this sacrifices decentralization. Others rely on cloud providers like AWS, which can lead to centralization and expose the system to risk. His message is simple: don't fall for the promises of instant finality. Blockchain technology needs to balance speed with decentralization, security, and transparency. Turning to ICP Swap 3.5, the platform is rolling out several upgrades following a successful code audit. Among the most anticipated features is the introduction of limit orders, which allow users more control over their trades by letting them set the price at which they want to buy or sell. This gives traders the flexibility to automate their actions without needing to monitor the market constantly. The update also brings support for new standards introduced by the Definity Foundation, including ICRC21, ICRC28, and ICRC34. These standards aim to improve interoperability and the overall functionality of the ecosystem, which makes it easier for users to engage with a wider range of projects and services. Another significant addition is the integration of Identity Kit and NFID connections. These tools streamline the process of managing user identities and accessing the platform, enhancing security and ease of use. ICP Swap has also tackled scalability with this update by addressing high load and cycle consumption on the IHG73 subnet. The update allows swap pool canisters to be deployed on additional subnets. This change improves efficiency and ensures that the platform can scale smoothly to meet growing demand. These upgrades solidify ICP Swap's position as a versatile player in the blockchain ecosystem, offering users enhanced functionality and efficiency while keeping pace with technological advancements. Williams' critique of instant finality serves as an important reminder that blockchain technology, while fast, still faces inherent limitations. The pursuit of speed must be balanced with the essential principles of decentralization, security, and transparency. On the flip side, the new features in ICP Swap 3.5 are a promising step forward. With tools like limit orders and enhanced scalability, the platform continues to innovate, offering more control and efficiency for its users. As blockchain evolves, discussions like Williams provide much needed clarity, encouraging projects to be more transparent and realistic about their capabilities. Whether you are exploring new features or critically assessing blockchain claims, it's essential to look beyond the surface and demand tangible proof. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.